Hello YouTubers, this is GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair here with a new video. Today I'm working on a 2007 Nissan Murano with a 6-cylinder 3.5 automatic front wheel drive, and we are going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter for the air conditioning. So this is pretty simple procedure, pretty straightforward. So far the only thing that you might need is going to be flashlight, obviously your new filter, and a little bit of work. Nothing you can do. So we're going to show you how to do it, so that way you can save some money and help yourself to get it done. Anyhow, there is no particular reason. Yes, the customer want to make sure this is done, and just for service. Okay, I think that they purchased the vehicle not too long ago and they just want to go to regular maintenance. Oh well. So the cabin filter is right here behind the glove box. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, looking at it right now, look like somebody already was here or somebody was doing something, but okay, open it. All this is already loose. Oh well, that's weird. Okay then, well, let's keep going. I guess later on I'm gonna have to find some bolts and put them there. Oh well, so here, as you can see, this one is already kind of out of place. So okay, so what you do here, you're going to you can bend this a little bit here. Not bend it, but put your hand here and you're gonna push it like this, and everything comes out. Like I said before, excuse me, somebody was here. Oh well, the cabin filter is right here. Here you're gonna see some words that push. So you're gonna push in and pull like this. 1, 2. Now we're gonna pull it down and towards the back of the car, towards me. That's it. All right. So right there is your cabin filter. And hold on. This doesn't look right. You see the arrow there is pointing up? Well, that's wrong. It should be pointing down. And I will show you why in a minute. That's oh. Wow. It's not as bad. I've seen definitely worse. Probably you guys too on my other videos. Oh well, so this definitely needed it. Now, when you're replacing a cabin filter, if you're not really sure how direction is gonna go, the air, what you're gonna do here, you're gonna open the ignition switch, you're gonna turn the blower motor, okay, and let's say I have this piece of paper, hold it, and you're gonna want to bring it in, and you're gonna see right now that it tries to go down. Obviously the blower motor spinning and pulling air from the outside, so it's coming from the top going down. So that's why the error here right there, you can see it should pointing down when you install this. All right, so let me turn everything off. Now we are going to, let me lift this thing here. Hopefully, oh, there he is. Lift it. This goes like this. That's it. That's how it goes. Okay, now here, from here, from here to here, it's a big plastic going all the way to the back. Same thing from here to here. So actually from here to here is where the air goes through. Okay, so that way, in case somebody is confused or anything, that's the reason it's working like that. Now we're gonna bring this in again. One, two, done. All right, so you guys, that's how you replace the cabin filter on a Nissan Quest. Well, I'm going to now go find some bolts here, and if you find any value in this video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, hit the notification bell, and share the video. Again, thank you so much. I hope this helped you to save some money. Have a great day, do your best, forget the rest, and God bless you. See you in the next video.